So I believe the last time we were in class was Friday, March the 13th, and we had started looking at estimating population means, which are called mu, when the population standard deviation was known, when sigma is known. We said that we can use a z confidence interval for that. So the formula we had developed was the population mean mu. So what you're trying to estimate, you can bound it above with a certain amount of confidence by x bar plus z alpha over 2 times sigma over the square root of n. And you can bound below by x bar minus z alpha over 2 times sigma over root n. So this is your z confidence interval formula. And you want to use this specifically when you're trying to estimate the population mean and the population standard deviation is known. So unknown here, the things that are not known, are as follows. Population mean. You don't know that. So that's going to stay unknown. Things you will be able to find, these will be your givens. These are going to be numbers that you're going to plug into the formula. Your x bar, this is going to be the mean of your sample, or the average of your sample, you can say, or the sample average. It's another way to say it, sample average or sample mean. N is going to be the size of the sample, or the sample size. That's how big your sample is. You're going to have sigma. This is going to be your population standard deviation, or standard deviation of the population. This will be given. And also, you're going to have to find z alpha over 2. This is your critical number. And you're going to have to get your critical number based on the confidence level. So critical number. And this is going to be based on your confidence level. Let me scroll up. Okay, go back to writing again. This is based on confidence level. So typically when you're doing z confidence intervals, there are 3 confidence levels. 3 confidence levels. Let's write those down. They are commonly the 90% level, the 95% confidence level, and the 99% confidence level. And for each of these confidence levels, there's an associated critical value, or critical number, we could call it. So for the 90% confidence level, z alpha over 2 is going to be 1.645. And for the 95% confidence level, your critical number is going to be 1.96. And for your 99% confidence level, your critical number is going to be 2.575. So you'll want to probably memorize these 3 critical values associated with these 3 confidence levels. And this is specifically for the z confidence interval. Remember, the z confidence interval is when you have sigma, the population standard deviation, when sigma is known.